The Intensive Trial Advocacy Workshop is the best investment that anyone can make in their litigation career.
It's useful for dispute resolution, it's useful in negotiations, it's useful in essentially all of what lawyers do.
No program will improve your courtroom skills faster and to a higher degree than the ITAW workshop.
The teaching model is deceptively simple. It's a learn by doing coupled by critique.
This goes from the very basics of asking leading cross-examination questions and examinations in chief all the way to doing opening and closing submissions and presenting evidence to a jury.
Someone gets up on their feet, tries the skill out, we give critique at the level they're at, and they move from there and improve.
The enjoyable part of this is that you get up to do it, we identify some things, and you do get to redo in a fairly relaxed setting.
The feedback is overwhelmingly positive. There's a real level of confidence that you have at the end of a program like this that I can do a trial.
It is just the quality of the program and the reputation it's developed that carries it forward.